Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Miss Satira. Okay, and today we are going to look at your Palster textbook, page 14. Okay, now you can take out your textbook and turn to page 14 until you see the title called Unusual Tourist Attractions. Okay, now, okay, what does it mean by tourist attractions? Okay, tourist means pelancong. Attractions means tarikan, tempat tarikan pelancong. Okay. Now tengok tajuk dia tadi, unusual tourist attractions. Usual maksudnya apa? Biasa, usual. Unusual means the opposite. Okay, unusual maksudnya lain dari kebiasaan lah. Okay, so tourist attractions which are not usual, yang lain dari kebiasaan. Okay, now let's look at some of the examples that we have in Malaysia. Okay, we have Sunway Lagoon, okay, and then we have Aquaria KLCC, go and see the fish. And then this is Escape Park in Penang, I think. You have to like walk through like very steep and very small wooden sticks and you have to climb. Okay, and this is a museum in KL, the National Textile Museum. Okay, ini antaranya lah. There are still a lot more tourist attractions in Malaysia. These are just examples. Okay, so these are the places that tourists go in Malaysia. Okay, but in this topic today, we will look at attractions in the UK. Okay, so we will read and listen to the text on tourist attractions in the UK. Okay, so kita akan dengar something about, okay, places in the UK that people go to. Okay, after that we will answer a few questions to test our understanding. Okay, untuk test you faham ke tak teks tadi tu. Okay, so answer 5 questions. Okay, and then lastly kita akan buat cultural comparison. Okay, compare means you bandingkan. Okay, so we compare Malaysian and British attractions. Okay, tak apa, kejap lagi tengok. Okay, now first of all, we will be reading and listening at the same time. Okay.
Unit 1. Cultural Awareness. Tourist Attractions in the United Kingdom. Exercise 2.
14 days out in the UK.
Are you looking for something different to do this weekend? We interviewed 4 teenagers at some unusual tourist attractions around the country.
Blue Planet Aquarium.
If you're aged 8 to 15, like sharks, and are good at swimming, this is the place for you. I always go swimming on Saturdays, but this weekend I'm not going to the sports centre. After a diving lesson at the aquarium, I'm going swimming with real sharks. The sharks aren't very big and they aren't dangerous, but your friends won't know that. Visiting the aquarium is quite expensive, but it's a good idea for a birthday present.
Teen rating. 3 smileys. Jack, 13, Stafford.
Beamish, the Living Museum of the North.
Beamish is a living museum. Instead of looking at old things, I'm actually experiencing life in the past. You can have a lesson at the village school, buy things in the old-fashioned shops, and learn how to cook traditional food. I usually hate museums, but Beamish is different.
Teen rating, 4 smileys. Daisy, 14, Durham. Magic Unicorn Theme Park.
Unicorns are magical animals from legends. But this theme park isn't very magical. The rides and roller coasters are okay, but nothing special. The only bit my friends and I like is the Magic Spell Academy, where they teach you to do magic tricks. We're not really enjoying our trip today.
Teen rating. 1 smiley. Daniel, 14, Glasgow. Giant swing adrenaline quarry.
This isn't like swings you find in children's playgrounds. It's very high and really scary. I didn't think this would be so much fun, but it's better than a roller coaster. You feel as if you are flying. The only problem is that it doesn't last very long.
Teen rating. 3 smileys. Anna, 15, Cardiff.
Okay, now let's just go bit by bit to just I'll just try and explain to you in case you have a bit of problem understanding. If you do not need any more explanation and you have understood all the 4 feedbacks, 4 reviews just now, you can go straight to the exercises. Okay, you can skip this part. Okay, so I'm explaining this part to those who have problem understanding the text. Okay, teacher akan explain untuk yang kurang faham the text. Okay, macam tadi teacher cakap, this is a review. Okay, kan you see Insta famous on Instagram, diorang share review benda yang diorang dah buat, benda yang diorang dah guna. So this is the same thing. Okay, so these are teenagers, remaja sharing their experience, share diorang punya pengalaman. Okay, look at the places that they go. This one. Okay, this is the first place that they go to. Blue Planet Aquarium. So this is the name of the place, okay? Blue Planet Aquarium. Okay, so cakap, if you are aged 8 to 15, kalau umur you 8 hingga 15 tahun, like sharks, suka dengan sharks, jerung, and are good at swimming and pandai berenang, this is the place for you. Tempat ni memang for you lah. I always go swimming on Saturdays. Selalunya hari Sabtu dia pergi swimming. But this weekend, minggu ni, I'm not going to the sports center. Okay, so he's not doing what he usually do. Okay, after a diving lesson at the aquarium, diving is menyelam. Okay, so after he learned how to dive, he's going swimming with real sharks. Okay, faham tak that part? Dia pergi swim with real sharks. Jerung sebenar. Okay, the sharks aren't very big and they aren't dangerous. Okay, this one I think you understand. Tak besar and tak bahaya. But your friends won't know that. Tapi dia cakap kawan-kawan tak tahu pun benda ni tak bahaya. Okay, so visiting the aquarium is quite expensive. Okay, so aquarium ni mahal sikit, but it's a good idea for birthday presents. Tapi sesuai untuk bagi hadiah dekat orang. Like belanja diorang pergi. Okay, so this is the rating. Dia bagi rating, okay? Dia bagi smileys. So there are 3 smileys here. Okay, now the second place is called Beamish, the Living Museum of the North. So museum. Nama museum tu Beamish. Okay? So tengok cakap Beamish is a living museum. Dia macam museum yang hidup. Okay? Instead of looking at old things, daripada tengok benda lama-lama, I'm actually experiencing life in the past. You actually can see, you can feel, okay, macam real. You can have a lesson at the village school, okay, so macam you can go to real school, macam dulu-dulu, okay. Buy things in the old-fashioned shops. Okay, pergi kedai yang old-fashioned, macam lama-lama punya lah. Okay, and learn how to cook traditional food. So, you bukan tengok gambar je. You can cook. Okay, they teach you how to cook. I usually hate museums. Selalunya saya tak suka museum. But Beamish is different. Okay, so this girl really likes it. So, Daisy gives this place 4 rating. Okay, 4 smileys. Okay, the third one. Magic Unicorn Theme Park. This is the name of the place. Magic Unicorn Theme Park. Right? So tengok dia cakap, unicorns are magical animals from legends. Okay, unicorn ni sangat magic lah, sangat macam apa? Dongeng. Okay? But this theme park isn't very magical. Tapi theme park ni macam tak legend pun. Macam tu. Okay? The rides and roller coasters are okay. So rides and roller coaster. Rides are like macam maybe ada train or something dekat theme park ni. Okay, but nothing special. Tak ada benda yang wow. Okay, the only bit my friends and I like, so the only thing that they like is the Magic Spell Academy. Why? They teach you to do magic tricks. Okay, dia ajar cara buat magic. Okay, we're not really enjoying our trip today. So dia macam dia cakap, biasa-biasa je, tak enjoy sangat lah. Okay, so the rating they give is 1 smiley. Okay. Okay, and then I think this is the last one. Okay. Giant Swing Adrenaline Quarry. Okay, so the name of this place is Giant Swing. Swing ni apa? Swing ni apa tu? Buayan. Okay, so Giant Swing means like buayan yang very big, sangat besar. Okay, cakap, this isn't like swings you find in children's playgrounds. So tak sama macam yang you tengok dekat children's playground. Apa tu playground? Taman permainan. Okay, it's very high and really scary. Okay, besar, tinggi and menakutkan. Cakap, I didn't think this would be so much fun. Saya ingatkan tak best, okay? But it's better than a roller coaster. Rupanya lagi best dari roller coaster. You feel as if you're flying. Okay, like you are flying, macam bird. Okay, the only problem is that it doesn't last very long. Okay, the only problem is sekejap je, very short. Okay, you go on and then tiba-tiba dah habis. That's it. Okay. Okay, now, after you are done listening and reading, it is time to test your understanding. Nak tengok you faham ke tak? Okay, so we will do exercise 2 and 3. Okay, exercise 2. Which attraction is scary and very big? Okay, dia ada cakap tadi, which one is very scary and very big? Ada 4 tadi kan? 4 places. So which one is the scary and very big one? Okay. I don't know, you tell me. From what you understood just now, all the 4 places, yang mana is scary and very big? Okay, I'm not telling you the answer. Okay. Exercise 3. Answer these questions. Okay, for example, the first one, which 3 attractions give you the chance to learn new skills? Alright. Yang mana? Okay, which 3 attractions? So dia nak 3. Okay, 3 attractions give you the chance to learn new skills, untuk belajar benda baru. Which one? Okay. Oops. Yeah, correct. Okay, so I bagi you 1, Blue Planet Aquarium. Okay, so dia nak 3. So which one? The other 2. Okay, give me the other 2. Okay, then second, which place isn't suitable for young children? Yang mana tak sesuai, isn't suitable for young children. Tak sesuai untuk kanak-kanak. Okay? Okay, number 3. Which 2 attractions are better than expected? Lagi bagus. Lagi baik daripada diorang punya tanggapan. Okay? Daripada apa yang diorang fikir awal-awal. Okay, and number 4, last one. Which tourist attraction is expensive? Okay, so which one? Alright, so look at the 4 places just now, the 4 reviews. Okay, and write down the answer. So this one, I want you to do in your notebook. Dengan including yang tadi, exercise 2. Which one is, which place is scary and very big? Okay, which one? Okay, so exercise 2. And then this one, exercise 3. Okay. Okay, so in the last one, we'll do a cultural comparison. Perbandingan budaya. Okay, just answer a bit of the question that dia bagi. Okay, this is exercise 4. Answer the questions about an interesting tourist attraction in your country. Okay, in your country. Dekat negara kita. Okay, negara kita. It's in Malaysia, so tarikan, mengenai satu tarikan pelancong in Malaysia. Okay. Now look at this one. What is the most popular attraction for teenagers in your country? Okay, the most popular. Okay, this one there is no right or wrong answer. You can go on Google untuk cari jawapan. Okay, so you can cakap the answer. Oops. Okay, the most popular attraction for teenagers is apa dia? Okay, but this one remember in Malaysia sebab dia tanya in your country. So it has to be in Malaysia. Okay, and number 2, what can you do there? Okay, so dekat the place that you cakap dekat sini tadi. Okay, what can you do there? Okay, so teenagers can do what? Okay, this one is also you can Google the answers. Okay, or if you have been to Sunway Lagoon, for example, do not copy my answer. The most popular attraction for teenagers is Sunway Lagoon. Teenagers can swim and go on rides. Okay, contoh. And do bungee jumping. Contoh. Okay, and last one. Do you think there are more interesting attractions in the UK or in your country? Okay, so you rasa ada lagi banyak tempat pelancongan yang menarik in Malaysia ke in the UK? Okay, so your answer should be, I think there are more interesting attractions in, saya rasa ada lagi banyak tempat menarik in the UK or Malaysia. So you pilih salah satu. Okay, in the UK or Malaysia. Okay. Oh, and also the question tanya why actually. Okay. You just say because. Okay, why do you think so? I think there are more interesting attractions in the UK because blah blah blah. Okay, if you think there are more interesting attractions in Malaysia, then you tell me why. Okay, so these are the things that I want you to send to me, right? Okay, exercise 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that's it. Yang tadi. So if you don't remember which one, you just look at your textbook. Okay, yang ada number 2, 3 dan 4. That's it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, ask me on Telegram or just comment. Alright, bye.